Welcome back to Market Mindset AI. I'm your host, Big Money Mike, here to break down the stories that matter most in the market. Today, we've got OSI Systems crushing earnings, AI-powered catalysts shaking up multiple industries, and a scandal at FTAI Aviation that's making waves. And yes, I've got a stock pick that you'll definitely want to hear about. Buckle up, let's get started. The market is buzzing with AI optimism as tech continues to dominate trading volumes. NVIDIA, Alphabet, and Amazon are leading the pack with their aggressive investments in generative AI and data center expansions. But it's not all roses. Jim Cramer is cautioning against taking every headline at face value, especially around Trump's economic policies. While deregulation and big tech partnerships are fueling bullish sentiment, energy producers remain hesitant to capitalize on policy changes. My take: stay wary of overhyped moves, but don't sleep on companies like BlackRock and Goldman Sachs, which are quietly positioned to benefit from mergers and acquisitions in this new economic environment. Let's talk about OSI Systems, ticker OSIS, which just posted record-breaking Q2 results. Revenue surged 12% year-over-year to $419.8 million, surpassing Wall Street's expectations. Non-GAAP earnings came in at $2.42 per share, beating the consensus estimate of $2.35. This growth was driven by OSI's security division, where revenue increased 16%, marking its second highest operating margin in history. Their backlog reached a record high of $1.8 billion, reflecting strong demand for airport security systems and full-body scanners. Ajay Mehra, OSI's CEO, highlighted the company's solid execution and optimism for the second half of the fiscal year. With updated guidance forecasting revenue between $1.69 billion and $1.71 billion, OSI appears well-positioned for sustained growth. My opinion: OSI is more than a solid earnings story. It's a play on the increasing global need for security and defense technologies. Keep an eye on this one. FTAI Aviation, ticker FTAI, is under fire, with multiple class action lawsuits alleging financial manipulation. Claims include inflating EBITDA by overdepreciating assets and misrepresenting sales data. Muddy Waters Research's report caused the stock to drop 24% in a single day. What's at stake here? FTAI's reputation and investor trust are hanging by a thread. If these allegations hold, the company could face significant penalties. Here's the kicker: aerospace is a high-margin business with huge growth potential, but trust is critical. My advice? Let the dust settle before jumping in. This is a story to monitor closely. On a lighter note, AI has officially made its mark on Hollywood. Films like The Brutalist and Emilia Perez scored major Oscar nominations, thanks in part to AI-enhanced dialogue and visuals. While the use of AI in filmmaking has sparked controversy, it's clear the technology is here to stay. AI tools are speeding up production timelines and enhancing creative possibilities. The big question is how the industry will balance innovation with ethical concerns. As an investor, the rise of AI in entertainment is a reminder to watch companies like NVIDIA and Adobe, which are powering this transformation. Let's wrap up with a stock pick: Sunrun, ticker RUN. As the leading provider of residential solar energy systems, Sunrun is revolutionizing clean energy with its subscription-based model. Here's why I like Sunrun: market position. Sunrun dominates the U.S. residential solar market, which continues to grow as more states adopt renewable energy mandates. Financials: while not yet consistently profitable, Sunrun's revenue is expanding, and their innovative financing models make solar accessible to a broader audience. Catalysts: federal incentives for clean energy and rising energy costs create tailwinds for solar adoption. That said, Sunrun isn't without risks. Competition is fierce, and execution will be critical as the company scales. Still, for those with a long-term perspective, Sunrun is a compelling clean energy play. And that's a wrap for today's Market Mindset AI. From OSI Systems' stellar performance to the drama at FTAI Aviation and Sunrun's bright future, the market is as dynamic as ever. Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay sharp, and as always, stay in the mindset. This is Big Money Mike signing off. Catch you next time.